the failed space-to-ground antenna, which began to exhibit degraded performance in being able to track NASA's Tracking and Data Relay Satellites constellation of satellites late last year. That failed antenna has been removed from its boom on the Z1 truss of the station as Menon and Adenot are in the home stretch of tying it down, what is called a long-duration tie-down, using a series of tethers. It is being tied down on the truss of the station near its operational point at the Z1 truss. What we will not be performing today is the installation of the spare space-to-ground antenna because the crew members ran behind earlier in today's spacewalk due to the time that was required to remove electrical connectors and bolts regarding the failed antenna that held the antenna in place on the boom. The team is currently looking at perhaps one or two get-ahead tasks just to take advantage of the time outside of the void of space today. But the work to install the replacement space-to-ground antenna to restore full redundancy in the high data rate communications capability for the International Space Station will wait for another day. There will be some meetings that will be held to determine the priorities and the further course of action coming up on next Tuesday's spacewalk and other activities associated with downstream spacewalks.
Space.com